Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to make a professional blog on Google Sites for free. So make sure to stick around till the very end to discover the steps to build your own free and polished blog using Google Sites. First of all you need to do is go to Chrome and type Google Site. Now, click on the link, which is the Google sign-in link. Now you can see the site page is open. Now, this page shows you like this is where you have your page title box. On the top left side, you see a box that shows you the untitled site. Write down the name of whatever you want to give. If we talk about the features, they have multiple options. On the top right side, you have the different options like insert, pages, and themes. I am going to click themes, and here are the multiple options available in this. You can even create your own for this, just simply clicking on the custom option. Write a name. You can even add a logo and add a banner image because they are providing this option. Or if you want to import a theme, you can. They also give this option. Just simply click on the import theme option. Want to make your blog more interesting? Add the color, which is given on the right side of the bottom corner, and make your title page more attractive. Now, move on to the second feature, which is page. After clicking on the page on the right bottom side, you see different options like a new menu section, full page embed, new link, and new page. After that, go to the settings and see if you change the settings. This will be saved and automatically applied for the next time you publish your site. In the navigation button, there are different options available. Click on the top. This will also have another option, which is side. In transparent, they have white and black options. Other options include a brand image, view tools, custom domains, analytics, and an announcements banner. All of these have some features. In the announcements banner, you can choose the banner color. But before we finish here, let us close this for a second. Go back to the page and click on the plus icon. We are going to call this Top 10 Articles. Now we have a page where we display our top articles. Now you see the banner already displaying the text of top articles. You can change the color of the banner to lighter. And now, you will be able to select the page that we have just created. Now select the home page only option. Now close and see if you have your button on your home page. Addition for more elements. Another feature that they have is insert. You can edit your text size and everything you write. You can add images and multiple options which are given below. Like in content blocks, they have various features. Select any option and now insert whatever you want, like images or anything you want to add from Drive, YouTube, Calendar, and Map. For scrolling down, the content blocks are essentially layout playhouse holders for your image and text. Click on one of those and see that from here, you can upload images, embed YouTube videos, and some text right here. You can see the image right here. You can adjust the size of the image. For writing, just click on the text option, set it to your desired size and font. Insert the button on your Google site on the insert option. Scroll down, click on the button option, give a name, and specify the link again. After that, click on insert. The style of the button depends on your team. For this, you have multiple options available. Get the color, whatever you want to give. Now you want to review, and you will be able to review the icon, and you can even switch between a large screen and a mobile or tablet. It is important because most of the people read blogs on mobile. Once you are done, just click on Published, which is on the top right side of the corner, so your article will be published. Now, they ask for your web address. By default, it will come at sites.google.com and just published your blog. And on that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.